Hello friends, welcome to our channel Agricos World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs from the crops sorghum, maize and bajra. These questions are useful for most of the competitive exams related to agriculture. Sorghum, its scientific name is Sorghum bicolor, which is also known as jowar. Its 2n number is equals to 20. Maize, its scientific name is Zea maize and its 2n number is equals to 20. Bajra, whose scientific name is Pennisetum americanum and its chromosome number is equals to 14. All these crops, that is jowar, maize and bajra, belongs to the family Poaceae. Moving on to the first question. Which of the following is a non-tillering cereal? Usually, cereals produce tillers, but the non-tillering cereal is maize. What is the origin of maize? Maize is originated from Central America, that is Mexico. What is the optimum temperature for growing maize? The optimum temperature for growing maize crop is 21 degrees centigrade, whereas the suitable temperature for growing of the Zea maize is 32 degrees centigrade. Single cross hybrid in maize was developed by. Single cross hybrids in maize were developed by East and Shell, and single cross is a cross between two inbred lines. The idea of using single cross in developing the hybrids of maize was started in the year 1910. What is the soft starch in maize? The soft starch in maize is amylose, whereas the hard starch in maize is amylopectin. What is the percentage of oil in maize? The percentage of oil in maize is 4%, whereas the protein content in maize is 10%. Moving on to the next question. Plant population of Rabi maize is. The plant population of Rabi maize is 65 to 70,000 per hectare, whereas in Rabi the plant population is around 90,000 per hectare. What is the active enzyme present in maize? The active enzyme which is present in maize is diastine. The terminal cluster of flowers in maize are known as. The terminal inflorescence is known as a tassel, and tassel is the male inflorescence. Which of the following is known as queen of cereals? Maize crop is known as queen of cereals because it has high yielding potential, and wheat is known as king of cereals. Based on the endosperm, maize are classified into how many types? Based on the endosperm, Studevant has classified maize into 7 groups in the year 1899, and they are flint corn, sweet corn, flour corn, popcorn, waxy corn, dent corn and pod corn. And our answer is 7. What is the most commonly cultivated type of maize in USA? The most commonly cultivated type of maize in USA is the dent corn, which is Zea maize indentata, whereas in India, flint corn is mostly cultivated, which is Zea maize indurata. What is the most primitive type of corn? The most primitive type of corn is pod corn, which is Zea maize tunicata. Corn type mostly used in canning industry is. The corn which is mostly used for canning industry is the sweet corn, which is Zea maize saccharata. First double cross hybrid of maize was released in which year? Jones has proposed the double cross technique of hybrid seed production in maize, and the double cross hybrids were released in India in the year 1961, and 4 hybrids were released at that time. Those are Ganga 1, Ganga 101, Deccan and Ranjit. Which of the following is a top cross hybrid? A top cross hybrid is developed by crossing an inbred line with the open pollinated variety, and Ganga and high starch are the top cross hybrids. What is the first hybrid of maize which is developed in India? Ganga 2 is the first hybrid of maize which is developed in India. First QPM variety was released in which year? QPM is the quality protein maize which was developed by S.K. Vashel, and the first QPM variety which was released is HQPM1. What is the most commonly used herbicide in maize? Simazine is the most commonly used herbicide in maize. What is the dwarfing agent in maize? Cycocel is used as a dwarfing agent in maize. What is the seed rate of hybrid maize? The seed rate of the hybrid maize is 25 kgs per hectare, and for composites it is 15 to 20 kgs of seed per hectare, and for fodder purpose it is 40 to 50 kgs per hectare. Maize is which type of plant? Maize is a C4 plant and it has a special anatomy in the mesophyll cells known as Kranz anatomy. Along with maize, sorghum and sugarcane also come under the C4 plants. Jumping genes in maize were identified by. Jumping genes are the special type of genes which move from one place to the other place in the chromosome, and these genes were identified by Barbara McClinton in maize. Ploughing in standing maize crop is known as. Ploughing in standing maize crop is known as Donaka. Rabi maize is extensively grown in which state? Rabi maize is extensively grown in the state of Bihar. Which of the following is known as a great millet? Jowar, that is sorghum, is known as a great millet. What is the test weight of sorghum? The test weight of sorghum is 25 grams. Sorghum inflorescence is technically known as. It is technically known as head. What is the first hybrid developed in sorghum? CSH1, that is coordinated sorghum hybrid, is the first hybrid which was developed in sorghum. HCN limit in sorghum is dash ppm for the forage crops. The HCM limit in the forage crops is 200 ppm. What is the carbohydrates percentage in maize? The carbohydrate percentage in maize is 70% and that of protein is 10%. Parasitic weed found in sorghum is. The parasitic weed which is found in sorghum is Triga and it is a obligate root parasite. NRC on sorghum is present at. National Research Center for Sorghum is located at Hyderabad. First biofortified sorghum, that is Parbani Shakti, was released in which year? It was released in the year 2018 and Parbani Shakti is fortified with iron and zinc. Sorghum hybrid that is suitable for dual purpose. The sorghum hybrid which is suitable for grain and fodder purposes CSH13 and CSH15. Parbani Shakti is a variety of sorghum which is rich in. Parbani Shakti is a fortified variety and it is rich in iron and zinc. Which of the following is the basic races of sorghum? There are 5 races of sorghum. Those are bicolor, gunia, Chordata, Kafir and Durra. And the correct answer is option D. Moving on to the next question. Seed rate of Bajra is. The seed rate of Bajra is 4 to 5 kgs per hectare, and if we are going for transplanting then it will be 2 kgs per hectare. Consistent harvest index is found in. Consistent harvest index is found in Bajra, which is 19%. What is the fat percent in Bajra? The fat percent in Bajra is 5% and it is highest among the millets. Highest quantity of minerals are found in. The highest quantity of minerals are found in Bajra. Which of the following crop is known as dark millet? Bajra is known as a dark millet. It is also called as cattail millet, candle millet or the spiked millet. What was the first hybrid of Bajra which was released in the year 1965? The first hybrid of Bajra is HB1 and it was developed by crossing TIFT23A and BIL3B. What is the nursery area required for Bajra in meter square for transplanting? It requires an area of 500 to 600 meter square and for transplanting 2 kgs of seed is required per hectare. PHB10 was released from. PHB10 is a Bajra hybrid and it was released in the year 1975 from Punjab. Which of the following variety of Bajra was released from IARI? HHB67, BJ104 were released from IARI. Along with that, Pusa Moti is also released from IARI. Which state is in first place in the production of Bajra? Rajasthan is in the first place in the area as well as in production of Bajra. What is the seed rate required for transplanting of Bajra? For transplanting, the seed rate of Bajra is 2 kgs per hectare. What is the minimum germination temperature for Bajra? For germination, the temperature should be around 20 to 25 degrees centigrade and for the best growth, it should be around 20 to 28 degrees centigrade. Which of the following is a low HCN containing variety? IS 2008, IS 28450, IS 286692 all of these varieties contain low HCN content. Thank you friends. I hope you like our video. If you liked our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Agricos World for more content related to agriculture.